drown your fires.
Damn, that smells good.
Oh, we're spinning. Oh my. We're fine. Good morning. If you came here from part 3 and were expecting the calm vibes to continue, I'm sorry, but they're gone. I have 2 moods, calm and chaos. And this video is chaos. Oh, the sun is coming back out. Look at that, perfect timing. Just having a very relaxed morning, and it's been amazing. Husband's playing with the fire. I looked up at the clouds, the nap. It was great.
Damn, that smells good.
Right? Smoking on some AK-48 again. Did we grow any of that this year?
Nope.
No, eh?
Nope.
So we're eventually gonna run out, finally. Not that I don't like it, but I don't love it.
We just had lots of it and we got sick of it, that's all.
Yeah, and like for me, I feel like the AK doesn't help like medicinally, like for pain, it just doesn't do anything. Versus like other strains can actually help pain go away, and that one does not. Ugh, a spider! New! It's on the tent. No! You're not coming home with us. I'm sorry. We're just gonna like, I didn't kill you. We just like shooed you away a little bit. It's fine. We're going kayaking. Alright, Chevy did not want to join on the kayak, so we're going solo and we'll see what she does. Hey Chevy, do you want to come for a kayak ride? You want to come on the boat? Come here, come in the boat. Look, I'll come to you. I'm coming to save you. Hop in the boat, baby. Hop in. Hop. Come here. Come here, Chevy. Hop in. Oh, you are muddy. I'm not sure I want you in here. Hop in the boat, please. Hop in. In the boat. In the boat. In the boat. Come in the boat. Come here. Come in the boat. Do I need to put you in the boat? Do you want to come in the boat? I would like you to come in the boat with me. No? You're just gonna freak out on shore? What if I put you in the boat? You gonna stay? I'm gonna put you in the boat. I'm coming for you. Chevy! Not a boat dog. I want you to be a boat dog. Why can't you be a boat dog? You let me put you in if I go there? All right, we got a Chevy butt in the boat. She is very scared, but we're gonna take it easy. You got this. I think you should lay down though. Can you lay down? See, it's okay. We're fine.
Yeah, this is hard to steer with you in the front there, baby. I think you should lay down. Jesus Christ, we're going everywhere. We're going the wrong way again. We're going towards the beaver hut. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a beaver hut. We don't want to go there. We don't want to disturb the beavers. No, we're gonna leave them be. Oh, we're spinning. Oh my. We are having a hard time. Can you lay down? Lay down, it's okay. Ooh, we're getting pushed. All right, we're just gonna get ourselves cooked. Ooh, my hat. We should tighten that. Oh no, we're spinning. Damn it. It's harder to steer with her on here. Oh, we keep spinning. Oh my God. We're having a hard time. Chevy's being a good girl though. Oh, now we're spinning again. She doesn't want to lay down. I keep fucking spinning. This is so hard to maneuver with her in here. Okay, don't bunk into us. Oh my God, honey, don't bunk into us. We're gonna crash, we're gonna crash. All right, we're good, we're good. We're floating. Ah, we're spinning. It's okay, don't panic. It's okay, we're just gonna turn around and everything's gonna be A-okay. Ooh. Whoa, 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 stay. Oh shit, where's your line? I don't want to go into it. Okay, I'm gonna cut across, okay? What do you think? You like kayaking? Is this funny? Just got a life jacket on for safety, because you never know. She's a strong swimmer, but there's like rapids and stuff, so. Yep, he's behind us. And now we're spinning. Watch out. All right, do you want to get out or do you want to stay? You want to stay? You sure? Okay, we're gonna go back out then. What? I don't know. I gave her a chance to get out and she didn't really want us, so. Yeah, I think so. Okay, we're kind of stuck here though. All right, cool. You're okay with this? I'm happy. If you could lay down though, it'd be even better. Hey. Is this where the rapids kind of start? All right, we're not gonna go there with Chevy because it's hard enough to maneuver with her in here. Yeah, you do. Yeah, don't worry, Chevy. We're not running rapids with you.
I can conquer them, but it's like, how do I get it back up?
Yeah, that's the thing. That's a good point.
Got the bushwhacking back out of the
Yeah. Are you cool with this? Are you a canoe dog or a kayak dog now? Does that mean you could be a canoe dog? I think you can do it. I believe in you. Here, let's go closer to shore. I don't think she would jump because then she'd have to swim like all the way back. I mean, I could try and pick her back up, but no, don't do that. Wait till we get closer to, oh wait, we are close to the drop off. Okay, yeah, do it. You wanna go see Dad? Go swim to him. Go see Daddy.
Come here, Chevy. Come here. No.
I don't think she's gonna. Do you wanna get out? Or do you wanna stay? I don't know what you want. I'm gonna drop you off. Oh, you want him? What do you want? I don't know what you want. Don't panic. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't panic. We're in the middle. Whoa, no, no, no. Stay. Chevy. I'm bringing you back to shore. You're sideways now. What are you doing? I have a sideways dog. Okay. Ooh. Okay, now we're facing the other way. Hi, sweetie. We're bringing you back to shore, okay? I don't feel like falling in. I feel like this is better. I can see your face this way. Yeah, hi. I can see your face this way. This is better. I can pet you. See, this is good. Everything is fine. I know we're spinning. All right, ready? All right, out. Yeah, get out. You're being kicked out. All right, you just gonna hang out here? What? You're the one who freaked out in the boat, man. Am I going too slow for you? Oh, is this your exit? Okay, bye. Nope. She's so fucking happy. I got a friend. There's my husband. He's all the way over there. There's my dog. There's our truck. Oh, we're spinning again. He's going for a fucking swim again.
My fishing rod now, so fuck man, I keep sacrificing shit to this fucking river. I caught a fish, I got really excited. It's in the bottom of my boat, so I started fucking really giving her to get back to shore to fucking unhook the fish. Yeah, I guess the fucking hook that was fucking just say strangling in the water hooked the weed and just gone right off the boat.
No.
But
that's
let's hope this fucking fish is worth it. I'm gonna go check it out.
Chevy is whining on shore because we are too far. Big baby. Oh no, it's a shark! Ah, run! There's a shark!
No. No. You're a keeper too. Let me pick you up without you stabbing me. No?
Oh, hello, dragonfly.
I just didn't want it to fucking jump back in the water like I lost everything else this fucking trip.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Got one. Perfect. Finally a keeper after trying all these times.
That looks good. Decent size.
Yeah. Alright. Now I already put a bucket of water on this, but since the forest fire hazard right now is high or extreme, I can't remember what level it's at now, we're gonna double dose it. Just to make sure. We don't want to start any forest fire.
Yeah, we're drowning it.
Oh, yeah,
Literally.
look, the whole fire pit's fucking overflowing.
That's good. We do not want to start forest fires because the fire ban literally was lifted last weekend. So we don't want to fuck this up. Drown your fires. All right, we have everything packed up. Ready to rock and roll. This was a fun little camping trip we did. We're heading home now. I don't know how much footage I'm gonna get, but thank you for coming along. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye, all the ferns. Ooh. Come in the boat. Hop in the boat, baby. Chevy girl, do you want to lay down? I think you should lay down, though. Can you lay down? Hey, hey, hey. Well, oh, I wanted to see it.